Check it out. This is a new dirt locker hillside like terracing system that we just put in. And we want to work on the water today because it's kind of wonky. It kind of goes every which way. And the first thing we want to do is check it out and make sure that everything is working all right. Oh no. We've got a big leak coming out of this main line on the drip system. Let's fix it. All right, what are we gonna use? Aha, I see it right here. One of these. This is just a connector. You got one side and the other side, they're the same. You can see how these connect. It's like a one-way grabber. And you just push the tube in there. The water will flow through that white tube, and the black connector holds it together. And that right there will fix two ends to become one. And look at this, some snippers. Scissors would work too, but let's use these. All right, so clear away your hose that you found. This is where this big hole is. And what we're gonna do is cut it right there. It's already cracked. So we're cleaning the end here and here. Two nice ends, and make sure there's nothing jammed in here. Looks good. Oh. Push and twist. And do the same. All we gotta do now is test it. Here comes the moment of truth. Well, the water's flowing. I can hear it. We're dry. We did it. Success. Well, that one's done, but do you hear that? There it is. There's another one. You can see it's a bit of a slice. So again, we're gonna have to cut it and put a new coupling in there. All right, so the water's off, and that's a pretty good slice. I'm gonna cut it right here at this end, and again right here at this end, so there's no damage. Got our coupling. This one's a little easier to put in because we have some room. The other one being underground is bad. We're just gonna put it in. Those little teeth in there grab on the hose and they keep it from going back out. So it's an inner hose and then these teeth holding it all together. So let's see if that fixed it. We'll just turn that water back on. While we're waiting for the water to come back on, now is a good time for you to hit the like button. Maybe subscribe to the video. Oh, you hear that? The water's on and it's not leaking. Well, anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Check the description below to get some supplies, and have a great day. Bye-bye.